Let's get it!
It's time for a new start. It's time for a new start.
Emergency. Please evacuate immediately.
All the best smartphone mounting systems are fundamentally incompatible with all the best smartphone accessories, such as pop sockets, MagSafe, and many more. Hi, I'm Jack Depew, and I spent much of the last 4 years rethinking from scratch what the ideal smartphone mounting system consists of, and I found it. Introducing ModMount. ModMount is the world's first smartphone mounting system that's specifically designed to be compatible with the world's best-selling accessories. It's purpose-built for pop sockets, steelies, finger rings of all sorts, loopy cases. Carry your phone on any backpack strap, belt, or fanny pack with the strap mount. Navigate at a glance with the vent mount. Track your ride with the bike mount. FaceTime hands-free with the wall mount. Shoot portrait or landscape with the tripod mount. Always have your phone handy while exercising with the armband mount. Also, existing mounting systems are over-engineered and expensive, so I simplified. With material science and clever geometry, I'm able to achieve superior results at 1/3 the cost, and I'm passing the savings on to you.
ModMount integrates accessorized smartphones into an active lifestyle.
Most of the world's best-selling protective cases, and of course, MagSafe. ModMount is the first mounting system that allows you to charge any phone, not just the iPhone 12, on the go with your Apple MagSafe charger. At its core, ModMount is our proprietary friction-fit locking system embedded in complementary adapters and mounts. The mounts allow you to use your smartphone hands-free. The adapters adapt your smartphone to work with the mounts and your favorite accessories.
This way you can use your smartphone with your favorite accessories where it matters most to you. ModMount truly is the most versatile smartphone mounting system in the world.
Best of all, we're manufacturing here in the United States, and all orders will ship before Christmas. Our mission here at ModMount is to help active people get the most out of their smartphones. If that's you, please back this campaign. Thank you.